Right, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Solana video update today. So let's talk about what's going on with Solana at the moment. And yesterday on my private, we actually ended up getting 35% win from Pepe2, and we're so far 75% up. Now followed by this one, I tried to enter Solana at 57.5 with the stop at 54.27. Now we've got some good profit. We were into Jasmine and Polkadot and Pepe2 as well. But I was looking forward to risk like 5.5% for Solana because, again, I remember in the last update that I told you that I can actually try to trade Solana in the future. So at this point of time, for me personally, Solana made this one pattern right here. So all that pattern, and you probably are looking for that technical target to the upside, which is $88. But there's something that went wrong, and I want to show you out of this private channel that I ended up telling people that we're literally buying Solana off the 55 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. This has never been lost before, so finger crossed. Okay, so this was the image pretty much. Solana prices were at 57.13, and as you notice, the 55 EMA was never really lost, which I'm about to show you. If you want to be a part of it, December entries is opened up. You can message me on Twitter, AdamCoins_. Come here and give me a message to be a part of it, and I'm going to give you an invite on Discord as well. So 10 days to close. Now let's get back into business with Solana. Let's switch into the 4-hour time frame and bring in the EMAs, and let's talk about the EMA. Now before the EMAs, I actually want to show you that on the 1-hour time frame, not 1-hour time frame right there, we probably have this almost like a head and shoulder which is about to be printed off. And unfortunately, I was looking at this one particular resistance right there. So you can see that yesterday what I did is I actually bought it right off here, expecting a support, right? So I was buying off the support here, but ever since I saw this thing being lost, that's why I do have my doubt, because this is your very nice good support trend line, and you finally have lost that trend line on the 1-hour time frame. But it doesn't really stop there, because on the 4-hour time frame as well, you ended up losing that very trend line. So look at this, 1 2 3 4 5, and that's the loss of the support line. If you bring in the EMAs as well, this is for the first time, right? For the very first time ever since you made that bull cross back in, when is this, 16th of October. So after 1 month, you literally lost the 55 EMA, which to me is not a very good sign, especially you managed to close under it. Now it will be a good idea, it will be good for Solana if it actually makes a fake out and then starts to push up from here. That would be literally amazing. Now the next thing is, if this bearish pattern tries to play out, I understand we've talked about the $88 and stuff like that, but then again, some targets may not, we go step by step, honestly, right? We go step by step. So if you're finding early signs of support being lost, and this actually turns out to be your left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, because you do have a head and shoulder, very clear one, then you potentially might be looking for a reversal to the downside before moving up, and that is actually down to $42.71. And this is your support. Okay, this is still your support. This is your what was previously a supply zone. Understand that this was let's actually go back a little bit here, and that's going to be resistance there, move down, resistance here, a move to the downside, and finally you managed to actually break above that resistance. And if you're coming down, this is actually going to be back tested as support, and potentially again bounce off here and then move up to $88 if you're meant to move up there. So that's it for this update on Solana. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.